Then the next interesting concept in the list is list comprehensive. So the list comprehension means defining the calculation within the list. We can also define some calculation within a list to print some desired element. For example, if I want to print something within a list, like I want to print a square of number from 1 to 10 within a list. So how can I define the list to print a number, square of number between 1 to 10? So let's see. So if I want to print D in D list, I will create a list D. I will put bracket because to define the list I have to put bracket. Then I use I to, then for I in range 1 to 11. Then this is the code. Then I print A, sorry D. Okay, let's see what will happen. So I got the result. Within D I got this result, like 1 4. This is the square of all number from 1 to 10. So by this you can define anything within a list to print something within a list. So this is called as list comprehension. So just observe how it works. This is like a same as the normal. This is same as the normal function we write. In order to print, we first check for loop, right? For I in range 1 to 11, 1 to 11, same thing. Then we put here one colon because of indentation. Then we will print I is to 2. So this is print a square of all number from 1 to 11, 1 to 10. So by the same way, if you remove the indentation from here, then just put whatever you want to print to the first. So whatever you print to the first. Okay. Then so now you shifted the printing message to the first. Then include that in a list. No need to put colon over here. Then included that in a list, any list. Then print. Then now see what is is. So now E is printed with this number, the square of all the number from 1 to 10. So by this way you can print anything within a list by using list comprehension. Let's see one more example for list comprehension. Like I want to check for example, I have a name variable with A and K and T with capital and H. I want to print only the capital letter within a name in a list. So how to define that? We'll give list name as R is equal to same I. I want to print I because it checked each as I in uppercase. So I use for I in name, then I want to include if condition. If I is in upper, if yes, then write it in this list. So this is same, we write the same code as we usually write in a for loop, but we remove that indentation and write the code in a one list. So first I will print the I with capital if that is capital. So this code will convert all the letter to the capital. Okay, then I will run this code. Then I will check the R. So it checked whether is upper. If it is in upper, it will print. If I remove this is upper, then I run the code. Then let's see what will the R result is. It will write all the lowercase to the upper like this. So by this way you can define any calculation within the list. This is called as list comprehension. So the other function is you can use count function, sort function to the sort the list. For example, I will first define the list with this number. So the A is equal to this. I will make some correction. So this is my list. If I want to sort it, I just use A dot sort. Then print A. Sorry, I got the error. I want to first run this, then run this. So this list is now sorted. If you only use the sort, it will automatically write it in a ascending order. If you want in a descending order, you have to use reverse is equal to true. So now it's in a descending order. Like this, you can use sort function to sort the list. A dot means the list name dot sort function. If you only use the sort function, it will automatically generate result to with ascending order. If you want in a descending order, you have to give reverse is equal to true within argument section. So this is how you can sort the that. If you want to clear any list, just use a dot clear. So now if I print a, I don't have any value within that list because I have cleared that. So these are the some of the basic about a list. So we have seen how to create a list, how to add to the list, how to delete from any element to the from the list, how to add list to the any list, how to access the element from the list within a list. So how to create how to define the list comprehension, how to write a code within a list to print something desired result, and we also see some of the function like sort and clear like that. So this is a basic about the list. Thank you.